Santa Claus is a unicorn.
He's a unicorn?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, how do you know?
Because
you've seen him?
Because he took off his hat and I saw it. It was pointy.
Oh, really?
So is Patrick. Patrick's also a unicorn.
What?
Patrick is a unicorn!
All right.
Now I'm sick. And I'm gonna die!
Do you want to sing another song?
Maybe. I can't think of any right now.
Dude, you look like a crazy person.
I'm not a person, so. Ooh. What's that? Over there, look! No, seriously, there's a bag over there. An old hag bag. Oh my god. My nose is running and I can't catch it.
Oh.
There's a red cup over there. You want to know why it's red?
It's
because I'm red!
No, you're not! I need to get this.
I saw this stocking once that said no L, but the no was on the top and the L was on the bottom. And I was like, what the frunk is no L? And I'm like, oh.
What the no frunk? That is, or what the frunk? Whatever. What the frunk? I thought you said what the French.
I say boat. I say boat. There's a tickle in my throat. Who is in my throat tickling me?
I just spat out my soda thanks to you. It just like and boogers almost went in my soda.
Boogery soda. Would it have been green? And
do you want to hold this so it doesn't?
Trusting me with that. I have Tourette's, you know. Ah! Just kidding, I don't.
If it spills, I'd be like so pissed.
I'm so freaking pissed.
Oh my god. Oh my god, will you stop? I'm trying to drink my soda!
Oh my god, we'll try harder.
I can't do it! You're making me laugh!
Now you know who I am!
I don't know. Are you my grandpa?
No.
Oh. I see. This is like the video with when you had tea.
Oh, but I didn't. I had eggnog.
No, you had chocolate milk.
And eggnog! Eggnog cookie. Drink that soda pop!
You like totally blocked my burp. Is it like not allowed to burp on the internet?
You are not allowed to burp on the internet. It is illegal and you will get arrested by flying monkeys with sombreros and peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Well then I guess I will burp because I want to see that.
Bread.
I want to see that. So I'm going to burp. Ready? I gotta drink soda.